Okay, so I have my pancake mix right here. Hopefully I do this right without spilling any of it. I'm gonna just pour my pancake mix in here. Alright, I think that's good. On camera it looks like there's not a whole lot in there, but there's more than enough. And then I have a cup of water right here. So it's supposed to make like 5-7 pancakes. Okay, so I just got done mixing this and adding a little bit more batter. So now it's better to cook with. And I'm going to start cutting up the reeses. So, yeah. Wow, I'm just picking up the camera and showing you guys how big this Reese cup is. That is huge. I think I'm only going to cut half of this up and put it in there, but that is like really crazy. Okay, so I just took this thing out of its tin. Look how big that tin is. And look at the detailing on this Reese. It's so beautiful. This is such a huge Reese cup. I can't believe this Reese cup is like bigger than my phone. That is insane. Well, I'm going to put it here on the cutting board. I'm going to cut half up and throw it into my pancakes. Wow. Look at the inside of this Reese. That is crazy. I'm going to take this smaller piece right here. Okay, just to show you in comparison how much I already cut off of this Reese. I cut off like a little bit, but look how much is in here. So I'm going to mix this and see how much. I feel like I could make a little bit more and cut more, but cutting this thing, I feel like I need a chainsaw to cut some of this Reese off. Okay, so I'm going to put these Reeses in a baggie and save them so they don't go bad. But I used half of this Reese, and it's just like crazy because like normal people would be like cutting vegetables or fruits on a cutting board, and then I'm sitting here cutting like 2.5 pound Reeses on here. So anyway, I'm going to get my stove ready to cook these pancakes, and then I'll eat them, and I'm sure they'll be really good because Reese's is my favorite candy. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this as best as I can to pour these in here. So I just turned the stove on and it takes like a few minutes to actually warm up, so I'm gonna just let these sit here. Okay, so it's got done cooking these ones. I still have more batter, so I'm gonna make extra pancakes. And then I'm gonna try this out. So I'm gonna just wait. I think these actually came out really good, and they're like a different color from regular pancakes because we get like whole wheat pancakes, so they're supposed to have like a little bit of that light brown color tint to it, so I think these are going to be really good once they're done. Well, those ones over there are already done, but these ones are still cooking. 'Cause I just threw them on. Okay, so from the screen, it looks like a little bit of a big mess right here. But, I'm going to try to take a bite of this right here and show you guys, like, if I like it or not. I'm pretty sure I am. It's just Reese's put into it, and I love M&M pancakes, and this is gonna feel really weird for me because I never eat on camera, but today I'm gonna eat on camera. So just to show you guys what I think about this Reese pancake that I made. That tastes really, really good. Like, there's not a whole lot of Reese in here, but I can, like, kind of taste a little bit of the peanut butter, a little bit of the chocolate throughout, like, the whole pancake, which is really cool. So, yeah, this is actually really good. Well, I'm gonna finish the rest of my pancakes, but this was really good, and if you want to try this, you should try it with, like, just regular Reese cups. Like, don't put the huge 2.5-pound cup in your pancakes. But, yeah, this is really good. Like, as a kid, I used to go to Friendly's all the time, and now my dog wants to join me. You want to be another one of my videos, lady? I used to have M&M pancakes, and this, like, brings me back to when I used to go to Friendly's restaurant a lot. Well, anyway, thank you, kitties, for checking this video out. I love you all so much. Yeah, until next time, you'll see me in my next video.